Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Stock Investing and Trading 101. Today I'm doing an app review for an investing app called Firstrade. This is one of the newer stock investing apps. It allows you to buy and sell stocks. You can also short on this platform. And I'm just going to be doing a review for it, showing you guys some of the pros, some of the cons, and what exactly you can do on this app. Before I get into that, I want to note that this is one of the most generous platforms in terms of their referral program. So they have a referral program very similar to Robinhood, where new members can sign up under a referral link and both people will get a free stock. And I've noticed that they are very generous with the stocks that they give away. So I'll show you guys all of the free stocks that I've received from them so far. Many of those stocks are $30, $40, and even $50 stocks. I've gotten multiple ones. So this is all the free stocks that I've received so far. I've gotten a couple shares of Uber, a share of Bank of America, a couple shares of AMD, and that's a few $100s just in free stocks. And I'm currently holding most of them. Otherwise, I've kind of sold some of them and transferred the money into other portfolios. But after you download the app and create an account, this is kind of the home page that you will open the app, and this is what you will see. On the top, you have the major indices, so you have the Dow, S&P 500, and the NASDAQ, and it will tell you how much they are up or down for that given day, as well as what percentage that is. So today you can see that the S&P 500 was up a whopping 4.6%, pretty good day for the market, kind of a bounce back from the major selling that we had last week. Under that, you'll have your total account value, followed by the daily change, so how much you are up or down in that one given day. And then you'll have a chart of kind of your portfolio value, and you can change the time frame from 1 year, 6 months, 1 month, and 1 week. And then you can also go to all, and you'll see your total since you've opened your portfolio. And then under that, you have all of your stock holdings and your actual portfolio right here. So you see I have some ACB, AMD, Macy's, Nokia, and Uber. So you can see the current price, the daily change, and the total change. So kind of all the info you need right there. When it comes to buying and selling, all you have to do is either click on a stock that's in your portfolio. Otherwise, you can use the search feature. Let's say you want to buy some AT&T stock. You just click on AT&T. They actually do have options, which I did not know. So that's one good thing is that they do have options. But then you could click trade stock, and it allows you to buy and sell stock. You can also short and cover using this. So then you can type in the amount of shares that you want. So we could type in 1 share. You could do a market or a limit order. And for anybody who doesn't know the difference, a market order is pretty much you're agreeing to buy or sell however many shares at the current market price, and you'll get filled instantly. And this can fluctuate, so you might think that you're paying one price, but after you get filled on a market order, you could end up paying more or less than you were expecting to. And then you have what's called a limit order, where you can enter the exact amount that you are willing to pay per share, and it will not fill your order unless it is at or below the specific price that you chose. So I like to do limit orders, but you're able to do stops, stop limit orders, trailing stops. It's pretty much got all the bells and whistles. I'm not going to explain every single type of order, but pretty much you're going to be wanting to look at market and limit orders. After that, we have a watch list feature, so you can kind of create your own watch list. To do that, you click on the watch list tab. Then you enter whatever stock that you want to add to your watch list. So let's say we do Realty Income. You click the plus sign, and there, bada bing, you have that in your watch list. And then from there, what I think is really cool is they have a news and events tab. So once you're looking at a stock, this is the buying screen once again. They have a chart where you can look at different time frames and how the stock has performed. But then they also have a news feature where you can kind of see the latest news on whatever stock that you're currently looking at. So you click on news and it'll kind of tell you all the articles that are online that have been posted recently, give you the latest news for your stock. And then they also have an events tab, which I think is pretty interesting, where you click on the events tab, it'll show you their next earnings call, conference calls, any type of important dates. You have your ex-dividend date, things like that. So it'll kind of give you all your dates that you'll want to know for upcoming changes to the company, earnings reports, things like that. So the third tab is an activity tab where you just kind of can see all your transactions, your buys, your sells, your withdrawals, things like that. This is just very similar to other activity tabs. They also are paying interest on your cash holdings. I'm not exactly sure what the interest rate is, but that's also it's always good to get a little something on your cash holdings. And then lastly, we have the account button, where this is where you can take care of all your deposits, your transfers, you can do your settings. This is where you would get your support, and then also the free stocks that I was talking about, where you can either invite friends or see your past invites. It'll tell you which stocks that you've received from your invites, and this is kind of where all your settings will be in the accounts tab. So all in all, I do like the app. I like the way that it's set up. It looks kind of professional, I guess, in my opinion. It's got a nice, pleasing look to it. It's got most of the features that I would expect from a broker. It's got options, stocks, news. You can see upcoming earnings, things like that. And they support pretty much every stock that a lot of these other brokers are supporting. So that's the app, guys. It's very similar, I would say, to kind of a Robinhood, but it's got a little bit of a different feel to it. It looks a little bit different, and it's very similar. So that's the review for the app, guys. Nothing too crazy today. I'm going to be posting my referral link in the description for the video. So if you're interested and you want to open an account with Firstrade, if you sign up through my link, you can get a free stock, and maybe it will be something like AMD or Uber like I got. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you for watching the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and we will see you guys soon.